Hello! Today, we're going to learn about parts of the body in Igbo. Parts of the body means Akụkụ Ahú. Akụkụ Ahú. Okay, so let's go. To say hand, you say Aka, Aka, Aka. Say it, Aka. Great. To say eye in Igbo, you say Anya, Anya, Anya. To say head in Igbo, you say Isi, Isi, Isi. Amy, Amy. To say nose in Igbo, you say Imi, Imi. To say tongue in Igbo, you say Ire, Ire, Ire. Gosi mi ire gi, show me your tongue. It is pronounced as Ire. Say with me, Ire. Good job. Ọnụ, Ọnụ. Ọnụ is mouth. Ọnụ, Ọnụ, Ọnụ. Mechie ọnụ. Mechie ọnụ means close your mouth. Ọnụ, mouth. To say ear in Igbo, you say Nte, Nte, Nte. To say leg in Igbo, you say Okwo, Okwo, Okwo. Eze, Eze, Eze. Eze is teeth. Eze, Eze. Onu, Onu, Onu. Onu is neck. Onu, 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 Onu. Onu is neck. Onu, 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 Onu. Azụ, Azụ. Azụ means back. Azụ, Azụ.